All right, I have two graphics on my desktop here that I've pulled off of our website, and I want to convert them so that I can turn them in and have them placed in that banner section on the new Tri-County website. So, first thing I always do is make myself a backup copy. If you hold down the Option key and drag a file, it makes a copy of it. So now I have two. And if I screw one up, then I've got, I can go back to the original. So I'm going to double click this and it opens up. Now those pictures on the banner need to be 450 pixels wide and 200 pixels tall. So I'm just going to use my selection tool here. It's in the bar up here at the top, and drag out a rectangle until I get it 450 wide. Now you may or may not be able to see this on the video, but my triangle starts at the moment if I grab the edge of it, get the little hand. If I put it left to Mr. Haraski there, it doesn't quite get to Miss Brown. So if I take this picture and shrink it down so it's about 500 wide, then it's going to be about the right size. So you kind of have to adjust the picture to the size of the rectangle. So I'm going to go up here to my Tools menu and do Adjust Size. This setting on this side may be set to inches or something else, so I'm going to set it back to pixels. And my width here, I'm going to change to 500. The little lock here is on, so it's constrained. So the ratio of width to height will stay the same. So I'll make it 500 wide, click OK, and there's my new picture. So now I can drag out my rectangle. I'm going to get it to be 450 by 200. A pixel here or there isn't going to make too much difference. It's not going to change it that much. If you can't get it super perfect, you can just stop. There's 450 by 200. If I get on the edge of it, my cursor turns into a little hand. I kind of get it all centered up there. Come up here to the Tools menu and do Crop, which is Command K. Crops the picture down to that size, which is 450 by 200. I'm going to do File, Save As. I'm going to make sure this is still set to JPEG. I'm just going to turn my quality up to the best. Make sure I pick the spot where I want to save it. I'm just going to save it on my desktop for now. And I'm going to leave the picture named. It's named High School Group. So save my picture. There's already one there, so I'm going to replace it. Still got my backup copy. And my new picture should be saved. I say it's right there. So there's my new picture. So now I can attach this on an email, send it to the webmaster. They can be placed on the website.